Many sites around the globe. It goes through Peru and the Paracas Chandelier, the Nazca Tracks, Ollantaytambo, Machu Picchu, Cusco, and Sacsayhuaman. Then still in Peru, through the site of the Paratori Pyramids. On the African continent, it reaches Mali and its enigmatic Dogon's Lands, which knew the stars Sirius B and C way before any astronomers, passes through Algeria and the Tassili Niger with his big painted Martian god. In Egypt, it goes through the Siwa Oasis and its Zeus Ammon Temple, one of the most sacred of the antique world, then through the Giza Pyramids. It keeps going through Petra in Jordan, Ur in Iraq, where Abraham was born, Persepolis in Iran, Mohenjo-Daro in Pakistan, with its writing so close to Easter Islands and its odd radioactive skeletons, then through sites that have always been known as God's dwelling places, Khajuaro in India, Phrae in Burma, Sukhothai in Thailand, Angkor Wat and Previer in Cambodia, and other important sites lost along the way from the ancient world and history to end with the most isolated spot on Earth, Easter Island. It was unbelievable, but this site's alignment was GPS certified. Although those sites were from different times, most were built over ancient sites' ruins. But how did they determine, in such remote times, these sites along such a long strip that crosses the seas? Why this site's alignment on a circle as long as the equator and with a 30-degree incline? But there was even more surprising. If this circle was an equator, its north pole would be located at this specific point. And the triangle formed by this point, Giza and Nazca, matches the Great Pyramids ratio. The distance between Nazca and Giza is the same as between Teotihuacan and Giza. Same thing between Angkor Wat, Nazca, and between Mohenjo-Daro and Easter Island. 4 sides on the circle. The distance between Easter Island and Giza is 10,000 times the golden number. The Angkor-Giza distance multiplied by the golden number evens the Giza-Nazca distance. And the Giza-Nazca distance multiplied by the golden number equals the Nazca-Angkor distance. Obviously, this circle doesn't cover all the sites on Earth, but for my informant, those on it are projection of stellar objects over the Earth. In my research on what had been said about the Great Pyramid, I had